If I was at an event performing for mothers, I would choose Whitney Houston, I'm Every Woman. I mean, that is just, you know, a go-to song for everyone.
If I was doing a performance dedicated to moms, it would definitely be Mother by Ashanti, because it's a song that actually talks about her struggles of growing up and how her mom actually helped her become the woman that she is. And although I may not be a full woman, my mom actually helped me, and I know a lot of other mothers help a lot of other drag queens also, become the women that they actually dress up to be.
Boys to Men, Mama, hell to the yes. And then, you know, you gotta twerk a little bit, so give me some like J-Lo, Ain't Your Mama, right? And then like something really random from like Martin Lawrence's Big Mama's House 2, the soundtrack, just cause.
You know, for my mom, I'ma switch the game up. I'ma do some Tupac, Dear Mama, okay? Because I love you.
My mother's name is Sherry, so Sherry Baby, Frankie Valli. It's actually something I performed for my mom a couple years ago. That would be a good one.
If I was doing a show for moms, I would probably put I Want to Dance with Somebody, because I love my mom and we used to dance when I was little.
If I was on a show that was dedicated to mothers, I would do one of my mom's favorite songs. She got a bunch of them, but one of them that she's really into recently is Living My Best Life. My mom is recently divorced, has lost about 80 pounds. She is truly living her best life as a mother and as a woman, an independent woman, and I would do that song.
So to all my moms out there, I would perform Celine Dion's My Heart Will Go On.
I don't know. If I was doing a show dedicated to moms, it'd probably be lots of like Pussycat Dolls and like really raunchy, dirty rap music, because I like a mom who can get down.
I would probably perform something to Mariah Carey, because my mom's a big fan of Mariah Carey. Shout out to Mariah, come on, cut us a check, girl. Send me a sponsorship, you know, a bitch, send me to, can I, you know, make a little appearance on a video? I could be an extra.